Today we are making cheese rolls. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Polish American kitchen. Today we are making cheese rolls. These cheese rolls are so fluffy, so delicious, and perfect for after a meal. Enough talking about this delicious recipe, and let's get right into it. First we'll need to crumble our 30 grams of fresh yeast into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 250 milliliters of lukewarm milk, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix the mixture thoroughly and leave for 15 minutes in a warm place. Sift 500 grams of flour into a mixer bowl. Add salt, the remaining sugar that we have, eggs, lemon zest, and the risen solution. Knead the dough very thoroughly. Melt 90 grams of butter on a pan. Then add the melted butter and continue to knead the dough. Now take out the bowl from the mixer and leave it in a warm place for about an hour. Now we'll beat the cheese with sugar, egg yolks, and vanilla extract until fluffy. By the way, if you guys need to know the exact measurements, it is down below in the description. Knead the risen dough on a pastry board. Sprinkle with flour and roll it into a rectangle. Spread the cheese mass on the rectangular dough. Fold the dough into 3 parts, pressing and putting the sides together. Cut into rectangles so that there are 10 to 12 pieces. Roll each rectangle around its axis with a full turn. Watch how my grandma does it. Place it on a baking sheet lined with baking paper in large and even intervals. Leave the baking sheets in a warm place for a few more minutes so that the buns rise. Then once each bun has risen, each bun is smeared with milk and placed into the oven, preheated to 170 Celsius or 340 degrees of Celsius, and baked for about 30 minutes. Leave the baked buns to cool. Ice the buns with powdered sugar mixed with natural yogurt. Then our buns are ready to go and fresh to eat. These buns are so delicious and fresh even on the second day, if they are still left on the second day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time for another recipe.